Good evening, children. Here we are again with another class of general knowledge. So, first we will see the assignment answers, the questions which I have given you last week. The first question was, in which railway station Indian Railway launched its first restaurant on wheels? The answer is Asansol Railway Station. Second question was, name the space telescope of NASA who recently discovered 17 new planets. So answer is Kepler satellite. Third question was, when does World Wildlife Day observed every year? So it is observed on 3rd March every year. Then the fourth question was, who was inaugurated Riva Ultra Mega Solar Power Project in Madhya Pradesh? So it was inaugurated by our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi ji. Then the last question was, what is the theme of World Environment Day 2020? So the answer is the time for nature. So these were the assignment answers which I have given you last week. Now today, though we started the environment around unit 2 in the last class, so today we will continue it. Environment around, and these topics we will deal: gadgets galore, endangered birds, an atmosphere of sphere, blasting into space, explore the sciences. So first we will start with the gadgets galore. Many scientific devices and gadgets have been invented which help us to make accurate measurements. So these information given, and these are the jumbled words and you have to match it. Match it means the correct form you have to write the given space. The first one, it is used for measuring long distance accurately. So the answer is gaudometer. Second is, it is used for measuring electric current. So the answer is ammeter. Third, it is used for measuring atmospheric pressure, barometer. Fourth, it is used for measuring small amount of electric current, galvanometer. Fifth, it is used to measure the amount of water vapor in air, hygrometer. Sixth, it is used to detect the pressure of impurities in milk, lactometer. Seventh, it is used for measuring magnitude and directions of a magnetic field, so magnetometer. Eighth, it is used to measure the wind speed, anemometer. Ninth, it is used to find the radius of sphere and to find the exact measurement of the thickness of small bodies, that is spherometer. 10th, it is the instrument used for measuring very small distances or dimensions, so it is micrometer. Do you know, children, the instrument used for measuring blood pressure is known as spirometer. See, this is another page, that is endangered birds. These are the pictures given of some endangered birds. You have to identify them. The first picture it is of Bengal florican. Second is of long-billed vulture. Third, Himalayan quail. Fourth, oriental stork. Fifth, forest owlet. Sixth, Sarus crane. Now about the spheres, an atmosphere of sphere. There are many words in scientific vocabulary which end with sphere, although they have no link with the spherical shape. So these are the help box given, and in the last sphere ending words it is there. First is, an imaginary line called equator divides the earth into two halves. So it is hemisphere. Second, the water of earth's surface, hydrosphere. Third, a spherical strong steel vessel used for deep sea observation, bathysphere. Fourth, a layer of atmosphere extending 1000 km above the surface of the earth which reflects the radio waves, ionosphere. Fifth, the upper layer of earth's mantle whose capacity for gradual flow in thought to give rise to continental drift, asthenosphere. Sixth, the region of earth crust and atmosphere occupied by living organism. So it is biosphere. The crust of earth, number 7th, it is lithosphere. The last one, the layer of atmosphere nearest the earth in which weather changes occurs. So it is the first layer, that is troposphere. See, in the do you know it is given the thin hydrogen layer above the visible surface of sun known as chromosphere has the temperature of about 1000 Celsius. Outer space has always fascinated man. So with this advancement in science, man can even go into the space shuttles and spacecrafts. So this is one crossword puzzle given for you, and some clues are also given. So with the help of that clue, you have to fill this crossword puzzle. So these are the clues given. First one, it is exerted by the earth which makes getting into the space difficult. So what it is the gravity of earth. Second, a small sealed and pressurized cabin with an acceptable environment often used for sending men or animal into space. So it is orbiter. Third, it is known to be the most dangerous hazard in space flight. It is fire. Fourth, it is in front of orbiter in a space shuttle where the crew members work and live. So it is known as cockpit. Fifth, it is detachable compartment of a spacecraft. So it is known as capsule. Sixth, a device designed to supply and hold a missile in position for firing. So it is known as launcher. Downwards, number 7th, this space shuttle got disintegrated into pieces while re-entering the Earth atmosphere on 1st February 2003. That name was Columbia. 8th, a garment designed to allow an astronaut to survive in space. So that garment is known as space suit. 9th, this is the biggest rocket ever built. So it is Saturn V. 10th, it is a checkup time before a spacecraft is launched from the Earth. So that is known as countdown. 11th, on successful re-entry into the Earth atmosphere, the orbiter flies like an aeroplane. 12th, this is the powerful space telescope launched by America in 1990. So that name of that telescope is Hubble. 13, it is the fuel used in the rockets set off by Chinese soldiers about 700 years ago. So that was gunpowder. 14th, it is a spacecraft sent on mission to study various bodies in the solar system. So it is space probe. Last one, it is the used as fuel along with liquid oxygen in a space shuttle. So it is hydrogen. Now next is explore the sciences. There are different branches of science dealing with different fields. So you have to read the description and then you have to unjumble these words. First is science concerning the study of movement of objects through air. So it is aeronautics. Science governing travel into space. So it is astronautics. Third, science that deals with the study of spread of diseases in a large population. So it is epidemiology. Fourth, science that deals with the possibility of life outside the earth. It is exobiology. Fifth, biological science which deals with the study of structure of tissue. So it is histology. Sixth, science and technology that deals with making and working of different type of robots. So it is robotics. Seventh, science which deals with occurrence, location and properties of earthquake, seismology. Then eighth is science which deals with the study related to efficient use of human energy, ergonomics. Ninth, science that deals with the caution of a disease, etiology. And last one, Science which deals with passing of a character from parents to their offsprings. So it is genetics. Now, after this class, like as usual, I am giving the assignment of 5 questions. You will be finding out the answer of it, and children, remember, whatever the do you knows, these assignment question, it may ask in the GK examination. So you just take it very seriously and learn all the answers of these assignment questions given. The first question of assignment today is, who is known as the father of Indian environment science? Second, where is Silent Valley National Park located? Third, Red Data Book provides data on. Fourth, which of the country has the highest biodiversity? Fifth, how much percentage of nitrogen consists in Earth atmosphere? So here again, today's assignment that you will be writing these answers and you will be sending to me in the personal. Thank you.